Vanakkam. Now, today I'm going to discuss about interest subvention in agriculture. Interest subvention in agriculture. I've already submitted one video. This is a part two. It is in continuation of interest subvention in agriculture. Now, interest subvention is available to fisheries and animal husbandry farmers under KCC along with crop loans. So, Ministry of Agriculture has announced that all agricultural jewel loans and short-term crop loans availed from 1/10/2019 would qualify from the prompt repayment incentive and interest subvention only if those loans are converted as KCC accounts on or before 1/4/2020. So that has to be converted before 1/4/2020. Then government approved to extend the benefits of interest subvention at 2% and prompt repayment incentives at 3% to fisheries and animal husbandry farmers to meet their working capital needs under the KCC scheme. The limit for crop loan component will take priority over interest subvention and prompt repayment incentive benefits, and the residual amount will be considered towards animal husbandry and fisheries subject to the cap as mentioned above. That is, in total, that is 3 lakhs. Then the priority is given to crop loan. Then whatever left only it is applicable for animal and fisheries farmers. So in the first part, I have mentioned that interest rate of crop loan at the rate of 9.5% instead of 7%, but 9.5% is towards agricultural loan by some banks. But the interest rate should be heard as 7% only. That is, there's a correction of interest rate. It is only a 7% crop loan. That is, interest subvention at 2% to crop loan up to rupees 3 lakhs is available to farmers, and the loan is charged at an interest rate of 7%. RBI said that it has been decided to offer interest subvention at 2% to the lending institutions like banks. To ensure hassle-free benefits to farmers under interest subvention scheme, banks are advised to make Aadhaar linkage mandatory for availing short-term loans for animal husbandry and fisheries in 2018-19 and 2019-20. That is, Aadhaar linked to the agriculture loan is a must one. And for me, I feel that if anyone has claimed twice benefit from two banks, then that will be avoided. So linkage to Aadhaar is a condition now imposed by RBI. And RBI, as per the latest circular, RBI 2019-20 to 24, fidd.co.fsd.bc, number 24 bar 05.02.001/2019-20 dated 21/4/2020, the RBI said, in the wake of the nationwide lockdown due to outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic and the resultant restrictions imposed on movement of people, many farmers are not able to travel to bank branches for payment of their short-term crop loan dues. As per the RBI circular dated 27/3/2020 regarding COVID-19 regulatory package, moratorium has been granted for 3 months on payment of installments falling due between 1/3/2020 and 31/5/2020 in respect of all term loans, including short-term crop loans. Accordingly, to ensure that farmers do not have to pay penal interest and at the same time continue getting the benefits of interest subvention scheme, government has decided to continue the availability of 2% on interest subvention and 3% on prompt repayment incentive to farmers for the extended period of repayment up to 31/5/2020 or date of repayment, whichever is earlier, for short-term loans up to rupees 3 lakhs per farmer, which have become due between 1/3/2020 and 31/5/2020. Banks are therefore advised to extend the benefits of interest subvention of 2% and prompt repayment incentive of 3% for short-term crop loans up to 3 lakhs to farmers whose accounts have become due and shall become due between 1/3/2020 and 31/5/2020. And the RBI said all other terms and conditions remain unchanged. This is a new addition to the interest subvention with reference to agriculture, and I want to inform to you because this is the latest circular issued by RBI. So kindly do the audit as per the circular issued by the RBI dated 21/4/2020. With this, I am presenting this video to you. Thanks for watching this video presentation. Nandri, Vanakkam.